Good morning, folks, and welcome back to another vlog. It is currently 11:20 in the morning and I just woke up. I am very tired, but it is a Monday today. Monday fun day, which means today is my language arts day, and normally language arts day is my longest amount of homework or school classwork, whatever you want to call it. That's because it's an honors class and she just loves to give a lot of work. Today I'm pretty sure I have to write an essay and do some vocabulary and grammar. Today the UV is also going to be 8, which is pretty good. That's not that bad. And I want to lay out because I haven't laid out in like 2 weeks, which might not seem that long for you guys, but I just miss being in the sun because it's been rainy and cold. And now it's finally sunny. Let's hope the wind is not too high. It says it's 57 degrees out, and at 2 p.m. it will be UV of 8, which is really nice. Also, I just wanted an excuse to wear one of my new bikinis. If you didn't see that, I posted a haul where I showed a lot of new bikinis I got from Shein. But also, I'm posting a video at 1 p.m. today, which is, it's hilarious. It's one of my favorite videos I've ever filmed, and it's with my mom, and that'll be on my main channel, Caiti's Corner. So definitely go check that out. It's funny. I asked her questions that teens are too afraid to ask their parents. I have to do all of this now for my World Lit honors class. I thought this was cute and I wanted to share. Basically, we had to read an article about happiness hacks, and these are things that are actually statistically proven to make you happier if you're feeling sad or down. And I was like, you know what? I figured I should share some of these because I know I felt a range of emotions during this hard time, and so if there's a few little things that can make you happy, this is amazing. So I'm just gonna read you a few. Number 1 is exercise. That's pretty obvious. I've been doing the Pkwy 2-week ab shred challenge. It's been so fun. It's like 30 minutes to an hour worth of workout every day, and you can always pause if it gets too hard, so that's an easy way. Open your shades in your room. You guys know I normally keep all of these closed, but I actually have been starting to open them a little more. I know it's not much, but it's something that has actually made my mood go better, and so just opening it just a little bit so the sun's not blinding me, but I can still see it, is making me feel better. And then it also says get some vitamin D, go outside in the sun, which guess what? I'm gonna do as soon as I'm done with this. Smell the oranges. Citrus scents such as orange, lemon, and grapefruit bring out the positive chemical reaction in your brain as well as work to ease stress. Eat some oranges, make some lemon water, play with your pet, listen to music, eat chocolate. Yes, chocolate contains trifodin, which boosts the production of serotonin in the brain, leading to better moods. That's so fun. Okay, what else? Sip some green tea. You guys know I love green tea, and I didn't know it's a natural metabolism booster, so that's also really good. Hopefully those are just some tricks to make you more happy. I don't know, reading this article just made me in a better mood. I was like, oh, this is really cute. I finished my essay. It was just like a 1-page thing. It didn't take me that long because I was really excited about the article, but now we're gonna turn it in. Here we go. Congratulations, your submission is complete. I'm done with the essay. That was pretty easy. Now I just have to do no red ink. I don't know if anybody else does this, but it's basically like an online grammar mastery thing. This is what it looks like, and then you get assigned a different topic. So I mastered 15 things, 100% practice average. Let's go. Today we're doing apostrophes. I don't really know why. I just started practicing. I never read the lesson. What's cool about this is you can choose your TV shows that you want to be in the sentences. So I chose like Jessie, obviously, while Zuri Ross was assisting her photographer. It's that one. Let's go. Queen Elsa laughed and her dogs rubbed their wet noses. Yes. I have to do this like 100 more times. I'm not even kidding. So I finished all my schoolwork for today, which I'm very excited about. That really didn't take me that long. It took me a little less than an hour. It's 12:10 right now, and I was listening to Post Malone while I was doing it, so that's good vibes. But I actually have a brand deal outline due today that I need to review. So if you guys don't know how a brand deal works, let me pull up my email really quick, hold on. So if you don't know how a brand deal works, basically a company reaches out. If you agree with the message and the product and whatever they're sponsoring you for, then you sign the contract, and then you have to create an outline of your product or promotion that you're promoting. Normally, if it's for YouTube, you don't have to create like a full outline because it's a video. So you would send the video into the brand, see if they want anything changed. They send you back changes, you change them, you send it back, and they approve it. That's how it works for a video sponsorship. But if you do like a Instagram or TikTok or any of those other sponsorships, you have to create an outline, especially depending depending on what kind of thing you're promoting, depending on what it is, whether it's clothes, makeup, skincare, hair care, there's certain guidelines that you have to follow legally. I have a brand deal sponsorship here, and I'm not going to tell you guys what it is because I can't, but I'm very, very, very excited about it, and you will find out very soon. I did an outline, they had some changes, and now I have to fix the outline and resubmit it to them today. Pretty sure I did all the changes already, but I'm just going to review it really quick so I don't send something that I'm not happy with, you know? Okay, cool. That's it. I'm trying to decide if I should work out now or later. I don't know because I really don't feel like I'm in the mood to work out right now. It's still kind of early. It's still 12. Normally I work out between like 2 and 4-ish, but also the UV gets high at 2. So I put my bikini on. It's in my newest haul video if you want to go check that out. It's super cute. That's the pattern of it, and we're gonna go lay outside. It's now 12:30. I made a little TikTok edit of the new video, like a little compilation, so I can post it on my TikTok when the video goes live in like 30 minutes. I'm just gonna get a towel, a glass of water, connect my phone to the speaker, and we're gonna lay outside, and I'm very excited! Hello. So I just laid out for about an hour and a half, and it was so incredibly nice. I'm still outside, as you can tell, but this bathing suit is super cute, but my boobs kept popping out of it when I was laying down. It does not have a lot of support for my girls, so let me just say that. It's cute though. It's super nice out. I didn't put any sunscreen on, so let's hope I didn't burn. We'll find that out later, but look how pretty the view is. It's just beautiful, and this is where I lay. I always just take cushions off of this couch and then put them on one of these chairs so it's soft and not hard, and then put a towel, and then the dogs normally lay with me, and I put the speaker on right there. Oh, Cappy. What's wrong, dog? You can come inside with me. Come on. Come on, Cap. So I ate some oranges, had some green tea, and now I'm back in here, changed into a comfy outfit, and I'm just gonna let my oranges settle in my stomach a little bit, and then I'm gonna do my Chloe Ting workout. Day 3 of my Chloe Ting, I ate like a lot right before I did the workout, and I literally thought I was gonna throw up. So now I'm just scared to eat anything before I work out. Literally all I had was a few oranges like 20 minutes ago, and it's 2:30 in the afternoon. We're just gonna take precaution and not do that. It's now 3, and I'm gonna do my Chloe Ting now, but I need to put my hair up and put some more deodorant on. Normally to work out I wear a sports bra and some type of shorts. Sometimes I wear a shirt. It just depends. If I'm wearing boxers with the sports bra, then it's fine because these are super high-waisted and they cover a lot. But if I'm wearing like Nike shorts and a sports bra, then I normally wear a shirt because I'm insecure because it shows too much. And put some Old Spice on. Y'all, today is going to be a hard Chloe Ting day just because I'm not really motivated right now, and it's a 50-minute workout today. There's 4 different videos, so I know this one's going to be hard for me. So many people keep asking me to post my results of the video once I'm done doing Chloe Ting, but I keep freaking out about it. I don't know, I'm just self-conscious, and I don't want to like... My dad went back to our normal house and brought one of the yoga mats up, and it's been so nice. Why is it wet, Cam?
I stepped on it.
And you didn't clean it?
It's water.
Well, I don't want to lay on water. Okay, well, it's wet, so I need to wipe it. Thanks so much for not cleaning up after yourself. Okay, let's hope that this works. A lot of people keep asking where to get her workouts. You can go on her YouTube channel and just find any, but here's her actual website. 4 workouts totaling 47 minutes. These 2 are totally fine. Like, I can do these without a problem. I hate this workout. Like, this is my least favorite one ever. She's got so many views on this video, 28 million. It's crazy. I get PTSD from this sound. Alright, so I'm done with the workout, and I actually got a few things in the mail a few days ago when my dad came back from Atlanta. He went with my brother last week, and I didn't get to go with them, and kind of sad. They brought back a few things that came to the mail and to my P.O. box for me, so I thought I'd share with you guys. First, Alpharetta sent me another shirt. If you guys didn't see, I did like a little collaboration with them on my Instagram where they were donating 100% of the profits for a shirt to COVID-19 relief, and then they just sent me another shirt, which is super cute. Not sponsored, but this is adorable. It's just a super pretty tie-dye tee. Of course, it has this little pocket that says Alpharetta, and the back says Saving Elephants Since 2015, which is is really cute. And obviously we know tie-dye is like a trend right now. Everybody and their mother is wearing tie-dye. Thank you, every Ella. They also sent me 2 stickers. This one just has the elephants in the wild, and then this one is just their cute little logo. So thank you to them. Then I ended up having to buy another SD card. I now have 3 SD cards. But if you don't know what this is, when you film on a camera, this holds all of your content. So the video that you're watching right now is on this SD card, because since I've been filming my Chloe Ting workouts every day, every single day is between like 25 and 50 minutes. So that's a lot of footage. I can't clear any of the footage off my SD card because I need that footage for my Chloe Ting video. So I ran out and I ordered another one. And this one is 64 gigs. I have 2 64 gigs and a 32, and I honestly recommend the 64. It doesn't run out like ever. I just wanted to put this in here. A bunch of you guys sent me some letters to my PO box, which I obviously read and opened, and thank you. Let me read some of the names just so if anyone's watching this, they can figure it out. Ariana from Florida sent me a drawing. Esperanza, and she is from Texas. Chloe Reynolds from Indiana, Illinois. I don't know, but thank you, Chloe. And then Annabelle, ooh, that's a pretty name, from Virginia. So thank you to them. I definitely got your letters, and I will be putting them in my little collection when I get back to my normal house. Ooh, I also know what I want to show you guys. Obviously, since I'm not in my normal house, I've been living out of a suitcase. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just full of all my clothes and random stuff. But I actually used my closet a little bit. I never hang things up in here just because we don't have a lot of hangers, but I hung some stuff up. I hung up all the sweatshirts that I have here, and then just a few shirts because I only had a few hangers, and then I put all my shoes in here that I have up here. It's now like 5 o'clock, but I'm gonna have one of these. I've been eating these a lot. They're pretty good. They're called like P3 protein packs. This one has turkey, almonds, Colby Jack cheese, and it's 13 grams of protein, which is really good. I'm so hungry because all I've eaten today is oranges, and my dad made these little biscuits and I had one of them, but I need to eat. Homegirl's hungry, so I'm gonna eat one of these and watch some Criminal Minds. I'm almost done with season 10, which is absolutely crazy. They only have 12 seasons on Netflix, but there's 15 seasons total. So I'm gonna watch this now. We just had takeout for dinner. My mom went downtown Blue Ridge and got us some food, which I didn't even know was happening. I got a grilled chicken sandwich with lettuce and pickles, but it was so much food. Like, I didn't finish the sandwich or the french fries because they'd be packing the amounts in there, you know? I'm like 3 or 2 episodes away from being done with season 10 of Criminal Minds, so I'm gonna binge right now.